Hey mama, are you tired of feeling like your talents are wasted while you're at home, juggling snacks, laundry, and those never-ending playdates? I totally get it. You want to contribute to your family's income, but daycare costs? Forget it. And who has the time or energy to get a new degree? So, what if I told you that you can start making $100 to even $500 a day, right from your kitchen table, with no fancy qualifications? Seriously. Let's dive into the best online jobs for moms who want to earn real money on their own terms. First up, virtual assistants. If you're organized and good at multitasking, which let's face it is basically every mom, you can help busy entrepreneurs with emails, scheduling, or social media. Sites like Upwork and Belay connect you with businesses who need your super mom skills. Many virtual assistants are earning $20 to $40 per hour. Do the math, that's $100 or more a day for just a few hours. Next, let's talk about freelance writing or proofreading. If you love telling stories or spotting grammar mistakes in your kids' homework, this one's for you. Companies are desperate for content. Blog posts, newsletters, even ebooks. Check out sites like Fiverr or ProBlogger. I've seen moms pull in $500 for a single project after some practice. And don't sleep on online tutoring or teaching English. You don't need a teaching degree, just patience, a good Wi-Fi connection, and a love for helping others. Platforms like VIPKid or Cambly let you set your own hours. This is perfect for fitting work around nap times or after the kids head to bed. Got an eye for design or love making graphics on Canva? Businesses need logos, social media graphics, and more. Start small on Etsy or with local businesses. Some gigs pay $50 to $100 just for a single design. Finally, think about selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital planners, or even gently used baby gear. Platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it simple to reach buyers. I know moms who started with a few items and now earn hundreds every week. So, if you're ready to reclaim your time, contribute to your family's income, and finally get that sense of accomplishment you've been craving, check out the link in the description below. I've put together my top recommended money-making programs for stay-at-home moms, so you can start your journey to financial freedom fast. You're already a superhero at home. Now let's make sure your bank account shows it too. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you accomplish.